I'm Roger Sessions, and welcome to the Science of Simplification. This course could be subtitled Simple Solutions for Complex Problems, because that's what we're going to be learning about, how to create simple solutions for complex problems. I have three messages for you in this course. The first is that if you're building large IT systems, simplicity is your greatest ally. Many people think that we need to develop complex solutions for complex problems, but I'm going to show you how to build simple solutions for complex problems. If we're going to be dealing with complexity, the first thing that we need to understand is that complexity is a mathematical problem, and if we have a mathematical problem, we must find mathematical solutions for solving it. What will you learn in this course? Well, first you're going to learn how to design the simplest possible solutions for the most complex problems you can face. Second, you're going to learn how to calculate the viability of a proposed architectural solution before you spend money trying to implement it. And third, you're going to learn how to find and eliminate complexity, not only in the new systems that you're going to be developing, but in the existing systems that you're already struggling trying to maintain today. Who is this course for? This course is for people who have experience with either IT or enterprise architecture. This course is for people who have some experience in building modular software systems, probably using service-oriented architectures. This course is for people who have a willingness to embrace a scientific approach to designing IT systems. And this is for people who have good communication skills and the ability, willingness, and desire to drive executive-level decisions. If this describes you, then I would welcome you to this course, and together we can develop skills that are going to transform your organization. Imagine your future after taking this course. You are now a trusted advocate for IT simplification. You have a unique reputation within your organization for solving the most complex problems on budget, on time, and with high business satisfaction with what you've done. You are one of a handful of experts in the science of simplification, and you are part of a community of excellence in IT simplification. This is the future that's waiting for you after this course. It's not just you that's going to benefit from this course. Your organization is going to benefit from this course. For perhaps the first time, you'll be delivering large, complex IT systems on time and on budget. These systems will be more secure, more reliable, and more agile than systems you've seen in the past. And the business and IT teams will now be working together as part of a single, unified, cohesive team, driving quality, customer satisfaction, and profitability. Let me tell you a little bit about my background in IT simplification. I started ObjectWatch 15 years ago. We've since rebranded it as Roger Sessions Incorporated, and our focus from the beginning has been IT simplification. Before ObjectWatch, I worked at IBM, and I've become well known in the field of IT simplification. I've been asked twice to deliver keynotes at Gartner conferences on this subject. I've been recognized by the International Association of Software Architects as a fellow for my work in this area, and I've been a visiting professor in complexity analytics at the graduate program at the University of the Andes. I've written numerous books on the subject of IT architectures. My most recent is Simple Architectures for Complex Enterprises, published by Microsoft Press. I've also written many white papers on the topic of IT simplification. My white paper, The IT Complexity Crisis, was the first white paper to present the problems that IT complexity causes. My white paper on the mathematics of IT simplification was the first white paper that showed how mathematics could be applied to the problem of IT complexity. And my recent Unbreakable paper discuss the relationship between IT complexity and the security problems that we're seeing plaguing our industry. There are numerous problems that are caused by IT complexity. Cost overruns, late deliveries, security breaches, system failures, high maintenance costs, and poor business alignment. These are just a few of the issues that your organization may be facing because of overly complex IT systems. We're going to look at how to solve these issues by solving the underlying problem that's driving these issues, namely complexity. Why is complexity such a problem? It starts out small, and it doesn't seem to be an issue at that point. But the problem with complexity is it doesn't stay small. It quickly grows and grows and grows, and before you know it, it's engulfing all of the IT systems in your organization. It is this exponential growth pattern in IT complexity that causes so many of the problems. Because problems that grow exponentially must be understood mathematically. They must be measured methodically, and they must be addressed rationally. Exponential growth problems cannot be solved using the standard, ad hoc, off-the-cuff, business-as-usual approaches to addressing IT. We've got to bring mathematics into it. The problem of IT complexity is widely recognized in our industry, and every consulting organization has some solution that they're offering you, either a product or a methodology, or just turning it over to them and outsourcing the whole problem. But these don't work. If they did work, we wouldn't be continuing to having the same problems with IT complexity that we've been struggling with for the last decade. What's missing from their solutions? There are three things that are missing. They're not based on mathematical underpinnings. They have no metrics for measuring complexity. And there's no reproducible, validatable methodology for addressing complexity. You can't eliminate something if you don't understand it. I've been working in the field of IT simplification for more than a decade now, and I've brought together all of my research and methodologies into a single initiative that I call ITSI, for the IT Simplification Initiative. ITSI is different from these other approaches. ITSI is firmly grounded in the mathematics of complexity. ITSI includes reproducible metrics for measuring complexity. And ITSI includes a rational, verifiable, validatable methodology for driving the simplest possible solutions there are for a given problem. What is covered in the course on the science of simplification? The first thing that's covered is the reasons that complexity causes so many problems. And I also cover the mathematics that underlie simplification, and the methodologies that we can use to drive simplification, and the architectural pattern that I call the snowman architecture that embodies the very nature of simplification in IT systems. What specific skills will you learn in this course? The first thing you're going to learn is how to find and recognize complexity in IT systems. You're also going to learn how to measure that complexity using standard complexity units, or SCUs. You will also learn how to determine the minimum amount of complexity that you need to solve a given problem. And finally, how to deliver solutions that are as simple as they can possibly be, given the problem that you're trying to solve. What does this course include? Well, it includes a lot of material. First of all, it includes 12 lectures, each about an hour long. Each one of the lectures has a self-evaluation quiz, a hands-on project, and these hands-on projects are really important because that's where you're going to learn how to take this theoretical knowledge and apply it to real practical IT situations. There's also an optional ITSI certification exam. If you choose to take that and pass, then I'll be happy to certify you as an IT simplification specialist, and we'll list you on our website as such. When it comes to IT, Simplicity delivers. It delivers systems that are on time, on budget, well aligned to what the business is looking for, secure and reliable. And I'm going to teach you in this course how to deliver these capabilities through the science of simplification. The road to simplicity starts with a single step. And this step is just to enroll in this course. I'm Roger Sessions. I'm looking forward to working with you on the science of simplification and how you can use it to benefit your organization.